So, good evening, everyone. So, as we know, today's this is me, Shantina from the fundamental team. And as per today's agenda, here we will try to understand some features pertaining to fundamental analysis, which will help you to make fundamental analysis and invest and to generate wealth. And here are few like app related features. So to begin with, हम यहाँ पे देखेंगे प्रीमियम एनालिटिक्स सेगमेंट के अंडर में फर्स्ट वी विल अंडरस्टैंड इन्वेस्टमेंट आइडियाज. उसके बाद हम लोग करेंगे एज रिपोर्ट्स. पोस्ट दैट वी विल लुक इनटू इन्वेस्टर पोर्टफोलियोज, इन्वेस्टर थीम, इन्वेस्टमेंट थीम्स, कंपनी फाइलिंग्स. उसके बाद हम लोग समझेंगे एज इनसाइट्स. पोस्ट दैट we will talk about SME zone and SME stocks. उसके बाद we will talk about mutual fund features. What are the features that are there in the mutual fund section? And उसके बाद हम लोग सीखेंगे कि अगर आपकी कोई क्वेरी है तो आप उसको relevant place में कैसे पोस्ट करेंगे so that your queries, be it technical, fundamental or any general query, gets answered by our analyst team. Correct? So this is what we will be talking about today, right? So before heading forward, I'll just, good evening. Like I've shared my screen. Is it visible to all? Some are saying yes. Okay, I'll take it as an yes because majority is saying yes. So here you will get to see. मैं बता देती हूँ कि आपको मेरे स्क्रीन में स्टॉकेज ऐप का पेज दिखाई देगा, राइट? होम पेज दिखाई देगा इक्विटी सेक्शन का, करेक्ट? ओके, सो लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड. तो सबसे पहले हम लोग यहाँ देखेंगे आज इन्वेस्टमेंट आइडियाज. नाउ बिफोर आई बिगिन, हम लोग पहले समझते हैं व्हाट इज इन्वेस्टमेंट आइडियाज. एज द नेम सेज इन्वेस्टमेंट. सो yeah, hello.
Yeah, Shantana, investment ideas, have you clicked on that page?
Yes.
Okay, because that is not visible to all of us.
Okay, no, I have.
Can you just share the screen, the entire screen instead of a single screen maybe? Can you
I've
just stop
shared the
sharing?
entire screen itself.
Okay. Can you just try again, like, just...
I'll do one thing. I'll pause again and then I'll share it again. Just a
Yes.
second. Is it visible now?
Right now, I can see only the home page. Yeah,
I'm talking about the home page. Now,
can you
just
click on the investment ideas? Yeah.
Just Swati, be with me for a second so that I can confirm.
No, we are there. We are there on investment ideas. All good.
Got it? Investment idea का पेज आ गया?
Yes, all good.
Okay, fine. So यहाँ पे हम लोग देखते हैं, मैं फिर से एक बार स्टार्ट करती हूँ. So यहाँ पे देखते हैं ये इन्वेस्टमेंट आइडिया आइकन, करेक्ट? हम लोग यहाँ पे जाएंगे, क्लिक करेंगे तो हमें ये पेज देखने को मिलेगा. नाउ एज द नेम सेज इन्वेस्टमेंट, सो दीज आर फॉर लॉन्ग टर्म पर्पस. ये शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए नहीं है. एंड बाय द वर्ड लॉन्ग टर्म, व्हाट आई मीन इज minimum 1 year beyond, and here we say it has to be 2 to 3 years, right? So here what happens is, here based on the internal research team on Suomoto basis, we come up with certain stocks which we feel that are good for investment purpose and that will help us to generate wealth over a longer period of time, right? So उसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं, हम लोग few stocks को select करते हैं. Right now it's more than 130 plus, and उस पे हम लोग thorough quantitative as well as qualitatively उसको judge करते हैं, both based on its past, present and future performance, right? And after doing that, we come to a total H score, right? So the total is 30 and out of that we give it a score. Now, on what parameters we score it? So let's have a look at here. So आप देखेंगे जो total case study है उसको हमने certain parameters में divide कर लिए, right? The first is growth, the second is profitability, the third is efficiency, फोर्थ सॉल्वेंसी जो डेट प्रोफाइल के बारे में बात करता है, थर्ड वैल्यूएशन एंड द क्वालिटेटिव एस्पेक्ट इज स्टडीड अंडर द क्वालिटेटिव metric. Now these again, the growth parameter will be broken into certain sub segments, and based on the past, present and future potential of those metrics, we give it a score. Now each and every sub like these metrics are, the total score of these metric is 5, and out of that we give it a score. Same case of KNR construction, we had given growth a 3, right? And this is how we come to the total scoring of 20 out of 30. Now our research team feels that any company with a total edge meter of 18 and beyond is good for investment, right? So now let's get into the case study. आपको यहाँ कंपनी के नाम के नीचे एक केस स्टडी आइकन देखने को मिलेगा. Let's get into it, and before that I'll see कि कुछ questions है कि नहीं pertaining to this. मैं कोशिश करती हूँ सर हिंदी और इंग्लिश का मिक्स रखने के लिए, बिकॉज मेरी हिंदी उतनी स्ट्रांग नहीं है. सो आई कीप इट अ मिक्स ऑफ हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश. ठीक है, राइट. सो यहाँ पे हम ये केस स्टडी आइकन में जाते हैं. ठीक है, यहाँ पे जैसे हम वो केस स्टडी आइकन में गए तो यहाँ पे आपको देखने को मिलेगा थोड़ा बहुत उस कंपनी के बारे में हाईलाइट है, राइट. कभी कभार यहाँ पे हम लोग ओके, बिफोर हेडिंग फॉरवर्ड आई जस्ट इन्फॉर्म कि ये जितने भी आपको केस स्टडीज यहाँ देखने को मिल रहे हैं, दीज आर ऑल अपडेटेड ऑन क्वार्टरली बेसिस, करेक्ट. ठीक है, सो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, हियर द एनालिस्ट टॉक्स अबाउट द कंपनी, समटाइम्स अबाउट इट्स एनी लेटेस्ट अपडेट इज हाईलाइटेड, और ड्यूरिंग द क्वार्टर अगर कोई मेजर हाईलाइट है वो भी यहाँ पे थोड़ा बहुत सिनॉप्सिस में प्रेजेंट रहता है. नाउ लेट्स गेट इनसाइड द रिपोर्ट एंड सी व्हाट इट ऑल टॉक्स अबाउट. सो हियर इज द रिपोर्ट. First, it's about the company, where it talks about the model or the inception, what is it into, and the number of say subsidiaries or the clienteles. It discusses the same. Then here you get the breakup. Now most of the time revenue breakup is given, but since it's here it's client wise and segment wise, order book breakup has been provided, which is relevant to this particular company. Then we come to the growth parameter, right? And here growth has been broken into 3 sub-segments. The number 1 is sales growth, then we come to EBITDA growth, and then the profit growth, right? And after that, we have given it a score of 3 out of 5. Similarly, profitability again has been broken into sub-parameters, and they have been provided a score of 4 out of 5. वैसे ही करते efficiency भी है, and solvency, where it talks about the debt profile of the company and its ability to service the debt of that company, that has been discussed under the solvency segment. Now comes the valuation segment, and here I'll ask you to focus a little bit, correct? So यहाँ पे क्या है, here अगर आप ये वाला slide पढ़ेंगे, the last para, यहाँ पे the analyst after doing internal valuation, he or she has come up with a price range. ठीक है, उस एनालिस्ट के हिसाब से द जोन ऑफ 200 से 220 विल एक्ट एज अ स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस फॉर एक्यूमुलेशन, राइट. और ऊपर में अगर वो 345 या 360 क्रॉस करता है तभी नेक्स्ट अप ट्रेंड बनेगा. मतलब 345 से 360 के पास एक सप्लाई जोन बन सकता है. क्लियर टिल हियर? Sir, Vishal sir, that is not available right now. That you can arrange in descending order or ascending order. That sorting is not available as of now. Okay. So ये मैंने जोन यहाँ पे स्टडी किया, क्या 200 से 220 एक स्ट्रॉन्ग एक्यूमुलेशन जोन बनेगा, और 345 से 360 एक अपसाइड सप्लाई जोन बनेगा. Now we will come to this chart here, H score. और आप देखेंगे जो मैंने जो जोन्स बोले थे, एक्यूमुलेशन जोन, 200 to 220, and the upside supply zone that is getting captured here. So the accumulation zone will be shown in green and the distribution or the supply zone will be shown in red. Correct? और आप यहाँ पे देखेंगे कि जैसे ये इसको क्रॉस किया, ये सस्टेन नहीं करके फिर से वापस इस पॉइंट पे आ गया, राइट? एंड हियर अगेन ये जो नीचे है आपका ये स्कोरिंग है कि इन आई जस्ट इंक्रीज द टाइम फ्रेम वंस. सो आप देख सकते हैं जब से ये इंसेप्शन, जब ये केस स्टडी जब स्टार्ट हुआ था तब इसका स्कोरिंग था 21. फिर एनालिस्ट फेल्ट कि कहीं पे कोई एडजस्टमेंट करना है एंड इट डाउनग्रेडेड द कंपनी स्कोर बाय 1 to 20. आफ्टर दैट इट कंटिन्यूज टू रिमेन एट 20 द टोटल स्कोरिंग. ठीक है, सो यहाँ पे आपको वो भी मिल जाएगा कि आप कब इस कंपनी में अपग्रेड हुआ है या कोई डाउनग्रेड हुआ है, राइट? एंड आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं हाउ द प्राइस हैव परफॉर्म. सी कैसे ये हमेशा ये ग्रीन जोन से सपोर्ट ले लेके ऊपर तक रहा है, राइट? सो दिस वाज अबाउट द प्राइसिंग ऑफ KNR construction. Rather, here we understood what this green zone and red zone talks about. Now comes the key level and why it is shown in red, and the next CCL products the key level is shown in green. ये क्वेश्चन हमारे माइंड में आ ही सकता है. सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड. यहाँ पे हमने क्या देखा है कि नाउ KNR कंस्ट्रक्शन का प्राइस 345 से 360 के रेंज में like it's trading at that particular range, within this particular range of 345 to 360, correct? So that's why this particular key level is shown in red. If you check CCL products, I'll just show. The price is trading in the green zone, right? Within the green zone. And that's why this key level is shown in green, right? And now what is gap? Gap is nothing, the difference between the key level that has been provided in the valuation segment of the case study and the last traded price. उसका difference है gap. Now, हमारे यहाँ पे sorting कैसे होता है? Simple. The sorting is done is जितना कम gap होगा वो वाला कंपनी लिस्ट के टॉप में रहेगा, राइट? सो दिस इज हाउ द सॉर्टिंग हैज बीन डन. आई जस्ट चेक फ्यू क्वेश्चंस. So which Sheetal ma'am, which slide you want to talk about? Yeah, management quality. I'll just come to I'll just show in this case study where management quality has been talked about, right? And Vishal sir, the supply zone, how to, sir, as I said, it's not about 8 days because it's not for short term purpose. तो आपको ये लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए होल्ड करके रखना पड़ेगा, नंबर 1. नाउ से सपोज यू हैव एनी क्वेरी पर्टेनिंग टू एनी केस स्टडी, आप उसका क्वेरी रेस करें हमारे सोशल प्लेटफॉर्म पे and the relevant analyst will get back to you with the answer to your query, right? नहीं, small gap doesn't mean to avoid. वो small gap doesn't mean avoid. Okay, like Harsh sir, so like for that you have to like, most of the companies are investable, right? All the companies are investable, so you have to hold it for a longer period of time. Yeah, Leena ma'am, since key level is associated, no, key level doesn't get updated every day, no, because it's based on internal valuation. Key level remains constant. Now say suppose going forward, the analyst feels that there has been some, like say suppose there is a company ABC, right? And that particular company has gone for a JV, or say some, it has acquired some company, or there is some news pertaining to, you know, or we feel that the revenues will go up, or there will be some cost initiatives which will have a good what do you call, the earning prospects will go up. So in that way they will adjust the valuation keeping in view how the internal valuation sits into place, right? Yeah, Ankit sir, it gets updated every quarter. I missed your query. If you could repeat what was it all about. Here we are saying that it gets updated every quarter. But since it's a fundamental companies, their like what you call the valuation won't change each and every day, right? If this feels that yes, the valuation or there's some big news to it, then it will get changed accordingly. Yeah, color coding, I'll explain again. Sheetal ma'am, which screen that you're talking about, it'll be quite helpful if you can elaborate it. Column, I'm not getting column of the quarter during which stock was recommended. No, we don't recommend any stocks. Here we don't give any recommendation of any stock. We give you stocks which we feel is good for investment purpose. The scoring has been done, and accordingly, after studying it, after doing your homework, you can have your own pick, right? Harsh sir, I'm not getting what you are trying to. So the valuation, whenever a fundamental company gets valued, it based on the how the company is performing, right? It's not always that what is going to get uh, into the price, right? So accordingly, what we do is we see if there is any chance that yes, there will be a certain huge jump to the price, like a event or a scenario that will give a good impetus to that price levels. Accordingly, we change. And if you check most of the companies, they have given you good returns which are there in our investment ideas. I'll just show her, sir, how you can understand how it is updated or not, where you can get the date, everything. And now I'll again explain the zones. Okay, now here मैंने आपको शो कर दिया, राइट, कि what does green and red levels talk about, right? Now, the green level talks about the accumulation zone, जो ये केस स्टडी में एनालिस्ट ने ऑलरेडी मेंशन करके रखा हुआ है, राइट? एंड यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे ऑन दी अपसाइड उन्होंने मेंशन किया है कि 345 की 360 के पास एक सप्लाई जोन आएगा, राइट? And it has to sustain, the price levels has to sustain above this so that it can breach this particular level, correct? So we see that now here the supply has come and the stock price has come down to 358, but we have given it a zone of 345 to 360, right? So this is what the red and the green zone talks about. Now I'll take another example. Say here CCL products. You see the key level here. The stock is trading within the green zone, right? So this can act as a good accumulation point. So is it clear about the green and the red zone? All right. Now let's move forward. So we are clear with investment ideas. Okay, there was questions pertaining to gap. So gap क्या है? आपने यहाँ देखा ये जो हमने प्रोवाइड किया है लेवल्स, बीट ऑन दी अपसाइड और ऑन दी लोअर साइड, ठीक है? इस प्राइस जो यहाँ पे प्रोवाइड किया गया है उससे लास्ट ट्रेडेड प्राइस का जो डिफरेंस आएगा, अगर वो लोएस्ट है तो वो वाला कंपनी हमें ऊपर में शो करेगा, बट इट हैज नथिंग टू डू विद द क्वालिटी ऑफ द कंपनी, राइट? इज जस्ट शोज दैट जो हमने लेवल्स दिए हैं उसके कितने पास वो कंपनी अभी ट्रेड कर रहा है, टू इंडिकेट कि अगर आप सपोज मुझे सीसीएल प्रोडक्ट्स में इंटरेस्ट है एंड आई एम वेटिंग ईगरली कि ये कब की लेवल्स जो केस स्टडी में प्रोवाइड किया गया है कब उसके पास आए, सो दैट आई कैन एंटर दैट पर्टिकुलर स्टॉक. नाउ आई विल सी कि CCL Products is trading pretty close to the key level provided, so I can make my entry into this particular stock. Say suppose now मेरे पोर्टफोलियो में KNR Constructions है, करेक्ट, एंड मैं वेट कर रही हूँ कि जो केस स्टडी में लेवल्स बताया गया है मैं अभी उसके आसपास आए तो मैं थोड़ा सा बहुत कॉशियस रहूंगी, या मैं उसमें पार्शियल प्रॉफिट बुक करने का भी सोच सकती हूँ, कीपिंग इन व्यू माई रिस्क एपेटाइट. नाउ जैसे ही मैं देखूंगी केनार कंस्ट्रक्शन इज क्लोजिंग वेरी क्लोज टू द अपसाइड की लेवल, सो आई कैन टेक माई कॉशियस स्टांस, राइट. सो दिस इज व्हाट की लेवल हेल्प्स अस टू डू, राइट. Now, investment ideas related कोई भी question, I'll wait for some time, like for a moment or two, and then I'll move forward. All right. Since there are no questions pertaining to, okay, fine, there are two. I'll just. Okay, management quality assessment. Just a second, I'll show. Here you get to under the quality. Here it talks about the management, right? एंड कोई भी एग्जिट या एंट्री हो रहा है, किसी भी मैनेजमेंट कोई चेंजेस होते हैं यहाँ, तो वो भी हाईलाइटेड होते हैं. यहाँ पे भी मेंशन विच prominent key person has enter or exit the company, right? That is also mentioned. Then here we talk about the shareholding pattern, right? सेक्टर पोटेंशियल भी क्वालिटी के अंदर डिस्कस्ड है, सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि कंपनी जिस सेक्टर में परफॉर्म कर रही है उसका उसका पोटेंशियल कैसा है और उसका परफॉर्मेंस कैसा रहा है. Competitive landscape talks about the company in parallel to the other listed players, and definitely here is the future outlook, right? And this is the final edge matrix. So here you get to see all the metrics and the relevant scores given to it with the total, right? So this is what the case study talks about. All right. Okay, what is the source of order books? Now, order books, you can get to know about it, number one, in the investor presentation, which the company comes out with every quarter. It depends upon the company. And con-call analysis, also you can see it in various news flows and rating agencies reports. So these are the few avenues through which you can learn about order books, right? Now let's move forward. Now, just like case study, there are other reports too, which are being published by our research team. So we will have a look at it under the edge report segment. तो वो क्या क्या है? So आज हम लोग सिंस फंडामेंटल्स डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, सो हम लोग फंडामेंटल्स पे स्टिक करके रहेंगे. सो यहाँ पे आप ऑल टैब्स में जाएंगे अंडर द एज रिपोर्ट सेगमेंट, एंड यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे नंबर 1 केस स्टडी जो हमने ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर लिया है. फिर आता है कॉन कॉल, इन्फोग्राफिक, आईपीओ नोट्स, स्टॉक टू वॉच टेक्निकल के बारे में है. सो द टेक्निकल पर्सन विल हेल्प यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट इन सम अदर सेशन, राइट? सो हमने केस स्टडी समझ लिया है, लेकिन तब भी मैं शो करना चाहूंगी कि कैसे आपको पता चलता है कि कब कौन सा केस स्टडी आया है. सो आप देख सकते हो लेटेस्ट जो भी केस स्टडी पब्लिश होता है, राइट, वो डेट वाइज सबसे टॉप में आ जाएगा, करेक्ट? सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन चेक द केस स्टडीज, राइट? एंड अनदर वे यू कैन सर्च फॉर केस स्टडीज इज, आप किसी भी रैंडम कंपनी के लिए बारे में अगर जानना चाहते हो, से सपोज मैं देखना चाहती हूँ ब्रिटानिया, यहाँ पे एक एज रिपोर्ट सेगमेंट आता है, राइट? आप इसमें क्लिक करेंगे एंड यहाँ पे आपको एज रिपोर्ट्स इस पर्टिकुलर कंपनी से कौन कौन से एज रिपोर्ट्स आए हैं वो आपको यहाँ पे क्लियरली शो कर देगा, राइट? सो यहाँ पे हमको देखने को मिलता है कुछ टेक्निकल इंफोग्राफिक भी है, कॉन कॉल भी है एंड केस स्टडी भी है, राइट। सो ऐसे करके आप इंडिविजुअली चेक कर सकते हो एंड द टोटल लिस्ट ऑफ केस स्टडी is given here, right? So you can simply type out the name and आपको ब्रिटानिया के जितने भी केस स्टडीज हैं वो आपको लिस्ट मिल जाएगा, करेक्ट? Okay, so this was about case study. Now let's go into con call analysis. Now what is con call analysis? So now the earning season is going on and earning season में क्या होता है कि जब भी कंपनी अपना रिजल्ट्स जो निकालती है, most of the companies they interact with the analyst team, right? जहाँ पे वो अपने कंपनी का परफॉर्मेंस डिस्कस करती है, फ्यूचर पाथ डिस्कस, ग्रोथ पाथ डिस्कस करती है, कोई कंसर्न्स रहा है कि नहीं वो डिस्कस करती है। प्लस द एनालिस्ट ऑल्सो गेट टू इंटरैक्ट विद द मैनेजमेंट, जहाँ पे उन लोग भी कंपनी के बारे में जो पॉजिटिव्स और जो कंसर्न एरियाज है उसको डिस्कस करते हैं। सो वी गेट टू हैव अ होलिस्टिक व्यू ऑफ दैट ऑफ एनी पर्टिकुलर कंपनी, राइट। बट व्हाट हैपेंस इज ये कॉन कॉल के टाइमिंग्स थोड़े से अलग अलग टाइम्स पे होते हैं एंड इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल कि जो दूसरे प्रोफेशन में एसोसिएटेड है कि वो इतना टाइम अलॉट कर सके। सेकंड, ट्रांसक्रिप्ट्स आने में भी टाइम लगता है एंड दोस ट्रांसक्रिप्शंस कॉल्स आर बेयर मिनिमम 1 hour लॉन्ग, सो ट्रांसक्रिप्ट भी 15-20 पेजेस लॉन्ग होते हैं। सो इट बिकम्स डिफिकल्ट टू गेट टू नो विच आर द मेजर पॉइंटर्स एंड व्हाट नॉट टू फोकस अपॉन। So what our in-house research team does is they attend the con calls and they prepare a very comprehensive report which highlights the major pointers of a particular quarter. Now जैसे यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं Canfin Homes. So moment we go into it, थोड़ा बहुत the major highlights of this particular quarter's con call has been discussed. यहाँ पे एक AI generated आपको मीटर मिलेगा, right? So which talks about कि ये particular con call report से उस क्या show होता है, it's negative, neutral or positive, right? A centimeter score has been provided. Now once you get into the report, here the financial highlights is discussed, right? A snippet has to be provided so that at one go you can understand how the performance has been in this particular quarter, right? उसके बाद business highlights के major pointers, asset quality कैसे रहे हैं एंड फ्यूचर आउटलुक, राइट। सो 1 hour लॉन्ग जो कॉन कॉल हुआ था या 1.5 hours लॉन्ग जो कॉन कॉल हुआ था उसको हमने बहुत कॉन्साइज फॉर्मेट में आपको प्रेजेंट किए हैं, करेक्ट। सो दिस इज अबाउट कॉन कॉल रिपोर्ट। Okay, I'll just check how like what is it? Con call. I'll repeat the con call again. Yes, all the con calls are attended by our team members and then we provide the reports on the same. Okay. So Leena ma'am, can you just highlight what you want to know about con calls? Then I'll repeat what con call is and then we'll move forward. So con calls is nothing. The companies, they interact with the analyst team and they discuss their earnings and they highlight the major updates on the company and also on the like what are the concerns have been going forward, what opportunities or concerns they may face. So they discuss each and everything and that we get into a very comprehensive format and we provide a report on the same, providing the major highlights, right? So instead of going through a 15-20 page long transcript, you get to see the highlights and you can make your investment bet on the same, right? So this was about the con call report. Now let's see what other reports are there. Then comes, I'll take infographic after this. First, I'll discuss IPO note. So here, we also track IPOs and we prepare reports on the same. क्योंकि IPO का क्या होता है, DRHP, RHP बहुत long होते हैं, complex होते हैं, समझने में थोड़ा सा मुश्किल होता है. Secondly, various platforms provide information on the same, but आपको वो different जगह से collate करना पड़ता है, right? So what we have done is we have prepared a report on the same. Now let's get into the report and see how it looks. But before that, यहाँ पे Sunstar Limited के IPO है. वहां पे it talks about firstly a little bit about the company. Then you get to see a meter again, which talks about whether this particular IPO is poor, average, good, or excellent, right? And then you can view the report. So यहाँ पे first is the overview where it talks about a little bit about the company. It थोड़ा बहुत financials discussed है. Issue size, issue details भी, right? Now in depth में यहाँ पे analysis किया गया है. So first is about the company, right? Company क्या है नहीं है. It's a business model. Here you get to see. So आपको आइडिया मिलता है कि कंपनी किस में है और उसका मेजर एप्लीकेशन यहाँ पे एप्लीकेशंस भी डिस्कस्ड है, राइट? फिर रेवेन्यूज, ग्रॉस रेवेन्यूज कहाँ से जनरेट होते हैं, वो आदि मेजर सेक्टर मिक्स है, ज्योग्राफी कौन से को केटर करती है, प्रोडक्ट मिक्स कैसा है. नाउ देन इट टॉक्स अबाउट द सेक्टर आउटलुक, राइट? तो विच कंपनी जिस सेक्टर में है उसके बारे में भी डिस्कस्ड है. Then the competitive landscape. That means the company in parlance to other listed players. Here is the competitive landscape discussed. Then is the promoter background, which is very important, right? IPO आने के बाद शेयर होल्डिंग पैटर्न कैसा रहेगा वो भी डिस्कस्ड है. IPO से जो प्रोसीड्स आएगा उसका डिप्लॉयमेंट कहाँ होगा, it gets discussed in the object of the offer. What are the risk factors that a investor needs to focus upon before investing into this company? Then the profit and loss statement, the asset and liability statement, cash flows भी है. फिर key metrics that one needs to focus upon. यहाँ पे capacity utilization भी discussed है, right? And the SWOT analysis. So इसको आप पढ़ने के बाद you get an idea that whether you should invest in this particular IPO or not. It has highlighted the strength, the opportunities, weakness, and the threats. And here you get the entire timeline. Issue open कब हो रहा है और issue का IPO का listing date कब है. So in 122-pager report, you have understood whether to invest in this particular IPO or not, and what is the timeline for the same, right? So this is what IPO note talks about. No IPO, not for all IPOs. It's prepared. We don't cover SME IPOs, right? एज रिपोर्ट्स कहाँ से देखना है मैं लास्ट में आपको बता दूंगी. And IPO reports, yeah, I'll just show where you can get the IPO reports from. So आप यहाँ पे प्रीमियम एनालिटिक्स सेगमेंट में जाएंगे एंड प्रीमियम एनालिटिक्स सेगमेंट में जाके आप देखेंगे एज रिपोर्ट सेगमेंट में है, राइट? आप यहाँ पे जाएंगे एंड हियर यू गेट टू सी ऑल दी एज रिपोर्ट्स दैट हैज बीन पब्लिश्ड बाय आवर रिसर्च टीम. अगर आप ऑल स्टैप के अंडर में जाएंगे तो आप यहाँ आपको देखने को मिलेगा, ये देखिए आईपीओ इन्फोग्राफिक के बाद आईपीओ नोट. द मोमेंट यू क्लिक ऑन दिस you get to see all the IPO notes that has been published by our team. और जो लेटेस्ट होगा वो टॉप में शो करेगा. यहाँ पे डेट भी मेंशन्ड है, करेक्ट? Sir, SME IPO is a little bit riskier, right? Because the listings, what do you call the listing requirements for SME IPO is quite lenient. So it becomes very risky for retail investors. So that's why we don't cover SME IPOs. So it's not about price always. We need to check the fundamentals also, right? So that is also important. There are companies whose price have doubled, but the fundamentals are not that strong. And when these particular companies they fall, fall like very sharply, and that's where the retail tends to lose. Sheetal ma'am, it'll be okay if I show the IPO notes later because I need to finish few of the other things too, right? All right. Now let's move forward and let's learn about infographic. All right. So infographic here, we get a combination of both technical as well as fundamental infographic. So for the time being, we will stick to the fundamental one. So on the top, the latest fundamental infographic that we get to see is top 10 public sector banks with high net interest margin in last quarter, right? So if we click on this, it first talk about what net interest margin is. So you understand what this particular infographic is talking about, right? And then you get to see a list of banks with their market cap and net interest income and net interest margin. So on the top list, it's Bank of Maharashtra and the list ends with UCO Bank, right? So you get to see that which particular bank has a highest net interest margin in the last quarter, right? So this was about infographic. I'll just show ma'am. Once I'm done with this, I'll just show. Sheetal ma'am, just wait for 2 minutes. Give me 2 minutes. Okay. Yeah, I'll just show 2 minutes. So I'll just repeat where you can get the edge reports, investment ideas, uske niche edge reports hai. You go here and you get to see this all tab, right? You click on this, आपको पहले case study मिलेगा, then you get con call, followed by infographic, and here is the IPO. So just click on the IPO and here you go, right? You click on view report and you get to see the entire report, correct? Sheetal ma'am, your problem solved? All right, now let's move forward. So we are done with the investment ideas. We are done with edge reports. Now we will talk about company filings. Now what is company filings? As I have told earlier also, company filings, like each and the company listed on any of the exchanges or both of the exchanges has to inform the investors any updates which it comes out with, be it pertaining to acquisition or delisting of shares, or say there any exit of any or entry of any key managerial person. Anything and everything has to be informed to the exchanges, so that based on those filings, the investors can make their investment ideas, right? Whether they want to stay invested in that particular company or want to exit the company, right? So what happens is there are lots of exchange filings and it becomes difficult for any common man to have a hang of the same. So to cut down the noise, what we have done is we have segregated the company filings under various heads, right? Say suppose मुझे सिर्फ जानना है कि किस कंपनी ने अभी तक एनुअल रिपोर्ट्स निकाला है, पब्लिश किया है, right? So मुझे हर कंपनी में जाके चेक नहीं करना पड़ेगा. What I'll do is I'll come here and I'll type annual report in the search bar, right? और मुझे यहाँ पे एनुअल रिपोर्ट मिल गया. I'll click और डेट वाइज मुझे मिल जाएगा लिस्ट ऑफ द कंपनीज जिन्होंने अभी तक एनुअल रिपोर्ट्स पब्लिश कर चुके हैं, करेक्ट? सो मेरा काम बहुत आसान हो जाएगा, राइट? सिमिलरली अगर मुझे जानना है कि कौन से कंपनी ने अभी तक डिविडेंड डिक्लेयर किया है, सो यहाँ पे डिविडेंड इंटरेस्ट रिडम्पशन से मुझे लिस्ट ऑफ स्टॉक्स मिल जाएगा कि कहाँ पे क्या डिविडेंड रिलेटेड अपडेट आया है कि नहीं, राइट? नाउ लेट्स सी, अभी मुझे जानना है कि एनुअल रिपोर्ट कहाँ है, कहाँ कहाँ कौन कौन से कंपनीज में आ गया है. So I'll type annual report. I'll go into here and see Nath Biogenes India. There is something pertaining to annual general meeting. I'm not sure what is it. Let's get into it. Or let's take the example of Naya. In this one, Nath Biogenes annual report. And here is the PDF attached. If I click on the PDF, it will directly take me to the annual report, right? और मुझे annual report आसानी से मिल गया, right? So this is how you can access the annual report. Similarly, just a second. Now say मुझे इतने सारे company filings में interest नहीं है. I want a sorted company filing segregation for myself. So what I'll do is I'll simply star mark. Now what I'll do is, say suppose मुझे acquisition में interest है. I'll star mark the acquisition and this gets updated, added to my company filing. I'll show it once again. Say suppose bonus, right? So मैं bonus में जैसे ही click की तो यहाँ show कर रहा है bonus added to my company filings. Now where to get my company filings? Now if you focus on the left hand side, आप देखेंगे my stockage. आप उस पर click करो and यहाँ पे आपको एक blue mic देखने को मिलेगा. You click on that. And you see under my company filings, there are 3 categories added, right? Which is acquisition, annual report, and bonus. Now, if you want to add any category, you simply click on add category and star. That will get added to your list. And if you want to remove, simply strike it off. अगर आप my filings में जाएंगे तो जो जो कैटेगरीज मैंने यहाँ पे स्टार मार्क करके रखा हुआ है उसके रिलेटेड जितने भी फाइलिंग्स है you will get here the list, right? So this is what is about company filings. Now say अगर मुझे यहाँ पे जैसे कैटेगरी वाइज कंपनी फाइलिंग्स देखने को मिला, right? Now the question comes, अगर मुझे किसी पर्टिकुलर कंपनी का कंपनी फाइलिंग्स देखना है, so मैं क्या करूंगी, right? So what I'll do is I'll type here any company. Say I'm interested in Britannia, in say HUL में लेती हूँ, right? Hindustan Unilever, and I'll go to the update segment. यहाँ पे आपको अनाउंसमेंट देखने को मिलेगा, right? And here you see all the exchange filings listed up, right? Now I want to cut down the noise और मुझे इनको segregate करके देखना है. So I'll go to this funnel or filter and say आज इसका result आया है. मैं financial result statement में click करूंगी and you see first quarter का result आज आ गया है. I'll simply click on this PDF and it will take me to that company filing which is showing the results, right? Clear? So this is how you can access the company filings. So आप company filings all over और company wise individually कैसे check कर सकते हो, we have learned that. Now let's move to investor portfolio. So here they are investor portfolio where ACE investors both on individual as well as institutional levels have been listed out, right? And what happens is most of the times we see that when ACE investor, be it on individual or institutional level, they enter or exit any stock, the stock price gets impacted, right? And also what happens is we retail investors sometimes try to clone their holding, right? Or try to learn what is their investment pattern and accordingly build our own portfolio. So what we have done is we have collated the major investors portfolio here and we have also provided you with a snapshot stating कि उनका holding which sector और market cap wise किसमें allocated है, right? वो breakup भी हम लोग आपको provide करते हैं. Say suppose यहाँ पे the first one is Rakesh Jhunjhunwala and Associates. Here you get to see the number of holding is 26 and the total estimated holding amount is 47,900 crores, right? एंड यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि लास्ट 3 मंथ का टॉप परफॉर्मर कौन है, तो दैट इज राघव प्रोडक्टिविटी एनहांसर्स. सो हम लोग अगर इसमें क्लिक करते हैं, सो यू गेट टू सी दी फर्स्ट पेज वेयर here it talks about the total estimated holding, the companies, number of companies where it is invested into, highest shareholding, सबसे ज्यादा shareholding कहाँ पे है, and recent changes कहाँ पे हुआ है वो भी आपको यहाँ शो करता है, which is here it's in this case it's Federal Bank जहाँ पे stake has decreased from 2.61 to 2.54. Then is the sector allocation. Now यहाँ पे हमको देखने को मिलता है कि the major allocation is in the diamond and jewelry sector which is 32.12%. एंड अगर मार्केट कैप वाइज एलोकेशन देखते हैं वो मिक्स चेक करते हैं तो लार्ज कैप में सबसे ज्यादा है, राइट? हियर यू गेट टू सी दी शेयर होल्डिंग एंड दिस इज एज पर द लेटेस्ट क्वार्टर. सो आपको ये शेयर होल्डिंग पैटर्न यहां से देखने को मिलेगा. की चेंजेस क्या हुए हैं, लेटेस्ट डेट वाइज चेंज आपको यहाँ पे शो करेगा. लास्ट येस्टरडे फेडरल बैंक में चेंज हुआ है. सो ये आपको यहाँ पे यू गेट टू सी विच क्वार्टर से अभी तक कौन से क्वार्टर में कितना चेंज हुआ है. द रेड एरो इज देयर टू फर्दर सिग्निफाई whether there has been a decline in stake. Similarly, a green arrow signifies that there has been an uptick in the stake, right? And here अगर आपको चेक करना है कि इनका पोर्टफोलियो परफॉर्मेंस कैसा रहा है, सो आप यहां से चेक कर सकते हैं कि उनके पोर्टफोलियो में जितने स्टॉक्स हैं लास्ट 6 मंथ्स में हु आर द मेजर गेनर्स और उसका परसेंटेज कैसा रहा है. एंड हियर इज द लिस्ट ऑफ लूजर्स और वो कौन कौन से कंपनीज थे और उनका परफॉर्मेंस कैसा रहा है, राइट? करेक्ट. नाउ वी विल टेक अनदर एग्जांपल ऑफ एन इंस्टीट्यूशन. से Abu Dhabi Investment Authority, 24 number of holdings है and 4,671 इसके estimated holding है. So highest shareholding is in Sula Vineyards which is 3.18 and बलरामपुर में इन लोगों ने इस institution ने अपना stake decrease किया है, right? And recently Pearl Global, they have bought some stake in Pearl Global. Now if we check the sector allocation, so we see that others में सबसे ज्यादा है, so बहुत fragmented kind of holding है and small cap में सबसे ज्यादा exposure है. Similarly again shareholding में you get to see which all companies are there and key changes में कहाँ पे increase हुआ है stake, कहाँ decrease हुआ है. Again here you can check the gainers and here you can check the losers, right? Yeah, sir, it gets updated EOD based on the block deals. It gets updated every day, right? Sir, what you're talking about is like I don't know, report card. We don't have any report card for investment ideas, so we won't be able to provide you with that same, right? You can check our performance here. If you want to see, I'll just show how you can check the performance of investment ideas. Say suppose I take this company KNR Construction, right? And you increase the time frame and you see कि inception से अभी तक कैसा क्या रहा है, and you can get an idea कि share price कैसे move किए और कितने returns from the timeline. We have initiated the coverage on KNR Construction. What was the price, right? And अभी क्या price है, and accordingly you can come up कि return कितना कैसे क्या है. All right. So we are done with this particular premium analytics segment. Now let's move down and understand Edge Insights. So what is Edge Insights all about? Ma'am, which chart? Sheetal ma'am. So I'll just wait for a second to see. All right, all right. Hope I have explained your query. All right, fine. Sure. So now, what is Edge Insights? So every day, there are some updates pertaining to fundamental or technical या कोई reports आया है Edge report segment में, that gets captured under the Edge Insight segment, and ये वाला जो segment है वो EOD update हो जाता है, right? So जैसे हम यहाँ पे जाएंगे व्यू ऑल, अगर में हम क्लिक किए तो हमको ये डेट वाइज एज इनसाइट्स देखने को मिलता है. सो आप देखोगे कल का एज इनसाइट्स आपको दिखेगा बिकॉज ये ईओडी अपडेट होता है, करेक्ट. सो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट इट टॉक्स अबाउट रिलायंस इंडस्ट्री विच पर्टेन्स टू सम technical parameter. I won't talk about the technical parameter, but I'll show what is it all about, right? So यहाँ पे कुछ सुपर ट्रेंड इंडिकेटिंग सेल का कोई अपडेट आया है रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज में, राइट? सो अगर हम ये एरो में क्लिक करेंगे सो मुझे ये लेके जाएगा एंड शो करेगा कि व्हाट द इंडिकेटर वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट. इट विल एक्सप्लेन इट इन दिस चार्ट, राइट? सेकंड, इफ यू गो टू ऑल स्कैन्स इन द स्टॉक, सो रिलायंस इंडस्ट्री में जो जो स्कैन्स बन रहे हैं वो आपको यहाँ पे शो करेगा, राइट? एंड द थर्ड वन इज सुपर ट्रेंड स्कैन्स में अगर आप क्लिक करेंगे तो आपको ये ट्रेंड स्कैन्स यहाँ पे शो करेगा, राइट? सो दिस वाज अबाउट द टेक्निकल्स. नाउ लेट्स गो टू दिस HDFC बैंक वेयर ऑन कॉल एनालिसिस आया है. नाउ हम यहाँ पे अगर क्लिक करें, सी द फर्स्ट वन इज टॉक्स अबाउट HDFC बैंक अर्निंग्स कॉल फॉर द फर्स्ट क्वार्टर financial year 25, राइट? एंड अगर आप ऑल एज रिपोर्ट्स में जाएंगे तो आपको सारे एज रिपोर्ट्स यहाँ पे देखने को मिलेगा, करेक्ट? एंड अदर रिपोर्ट्स में गए तो जितने भी कॉन कॉल रिपोर्ट्स है पर्टेनिंग टू ऑल द कंपनीज वो आपको यहाँ पे लिस्ट आउट हो जाएगा, ठीक है? सो दिस इज अबाउट एज इनसाइट्स. यू सी भारती एयरटेल में क्रेडिट रेटिंग रिलेटेड कुछ फाइलिंग आया है, राइट? सो हम लोग अगर उसमें क्लिक करेंगे, देखिए क्रेडिट रेटिंग फाइलिंग है, यहाँ पे हमने क्लिक किया PDF पे, सो इट टेक्स अस टू दैट फाइलिंग, राइट? सो CRISIL has come up with some rating on Bharti Airtel, so which has been listed out here. We can easily access the same just by going through Edge Insights, right? अगर हम सिमिलर स्टॉक्स देखते हैं तो क्रेडिट रेटिंग रिलेटेड कोई भी न्यूज किसी भी स्टॉक्स में आया होगा, सो दैट विल गेट लिस्टेड आउट हियर. And all company filings, as I've shown before, it talks about all the related company filings. I mean, not all related, all about the company filings. So what are all parameters are there, right? So this was about Edge Insights. Now we will look into SME zone, right? And before that, I'll see if there's ma'am, I'm not a person of technicals, so I won't be able to comment. I just showed how the feature works, right? So I won't be able to provide same clarity on the same. So let's get into SME zone. So SME zone, what is it all talks about? Well, SME zone, as we know, SME stocks are a little bit riskier than the other stocks, and that's why to safeguard the investors, retail investors, the exchanges have put them on a separate platform, right? And similarly, we have also segregated them under a separate head. Now, अगर आप क्वेश्चन पूछोगे कि इसका और किसी और स्टॉक में डिफरेंस क्या है, सो द मेजर डिफरेंस जो है, नंबर वन, ये जितने भी SME स्टॉक्स है ये अपनी जो financials है, they come out with half yearly financials and they don't come up with their financials every quarter. This is number one. Number two, if you want to trade or if you want to invest in any SME stock, you have to buy in lot and you have to sell in lot. That means आप single sell खरीद या बेच नहीं सकते हो, right? and the number of lot size is indirectly proportional to the share price. Now what does that mean is higher the price, lower is the lot size and vice versa. Plus SME stocks के जो listing process होते हैं वो भी काफी lenient होते हैं, right, compared to other stocks. So this sometimes what happens is there are some loopholes which we don't see. So it becomes riskier for the retail investors. And that's why we always advise whenever you're planning or thinking about investing into any SME stock, please do your homework properly. Take advice of the analyst or any informed person, and then you should go for any SME stock, right? Say suppose insulation energy का हम लोग example लेते हैं. So it looks very similar to any other stock. But if you go to the fundamental segment और आप result section में जाओगे तो आपको quarterly data नहीं मिलेगा. क्यों? क्योंकि जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, these companies come up with their financials half yearly basis, right? Now here we haven't shown the lot size. I'll just ask to be with me for a second. First I will show how to check the lot size in NSE, and then I'll take example in on BSE. So अगर हम NSE में गए, sorry, network peoples, just a second. देखिए नेटवर्क पीपल सर्विसेज ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे शो करता है, इट्स इन SME जोन. नाउ द मोमेंट वी क्लिक हियर, आपको ट्रेड इंफॉर्मेशन सेगमेंट चेक करना है. तो यहाँ पे जस्ट बिलो फेस वैल्यू यू गेट टू सी दी लॉट साइज विच हियर इज 100. दैट मीन्स अगर आप नेटवर्क पीपल सर्विस में इन्वेस्ट करते हो तो आपको या लाइक ट्रेड करते हो तो एट वन शॉट यू हैव टू बाय 100 शेयर्स. सिमिलरली जब आप सेल कर रहे हो तो एट वन गो यू हैव टू सेल 100 शेयर्स, और आप यहाँ से चेक करोगे लॉट साइज अंडर ट्रेड इंफॉर्मेशन, एंड सीरीज आपको यहाँ पे क्लियरली शो कर रहा है SN which denotes SME. But this is a little bit trickier when it comes to BSE. तो हम लोग BSE में चेक कैसे करें? Just a second. जैसे मैंने बॉन्ड डाटा इंजीनियरिंग का एग्जाम्पल लिया, यहाँ पे आप देखोगे ये कैटेगरी के बाद ग्रुप आता है, राइट? अगर ग्रुप में कभी भी MT या M लिखा हो, so it talks about that this particular company is in SME zone. What group? MT or M, correct? We will move down. यहाँ पे आपको कॉर्पोरेट इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगा. आप यहाँ पे थोड़ा ऊपर मूव करेंगे एंड यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे हियर मार्केट सिक्योरिटी डिटेल्स में हियर यू गेट टू सी मार्केट लॉट, राइट? क्लियर? सो दिस इज हाउ यू चेक द लॉट साइज in both NSE and BSE. Yes, sir. I'll explain where you can find the recordings, right? And yeah, I'll show Varun sir. I'll show where to check block deals and bulk deals. So clear about SME stocks, right? So before moving to mutual fund segment, I'll just show आपको ब्लॉक डील्स और बल्क डील्स कहाँ पे मिलता है. तो आप एग्जाम्पल लिए हिंदुस्तान यूनिलीवर का मैं ली, और यहाँ पे आप जाओगे, ये स्कैन्स के बाद डील, राइट? डील्स आपको दिखेगा ये स्कैन्स के बाद. आप उस पर क्लिक करेंगे तो यहाँ पे आपको मिलेगा बल्क, ब्लॉक एंड इनसाइडर डील, राइट? दिस इज हाउ यू कैन चेक दी डील्स. You can buy SME stocks as same as any other stock, but the point is here you have to do so in lot size, lots, right? I'll show where you can find the recording of this meeting. All right. Varun sir, Jio. Here you type Jio Financials. There you go. Deals में आप bulk deal ये है, block deal and insider, right? All right. Now let's move to investment themes. So what is investment themes? So investment themes are nothing, but they are certain narratives. And when these narratives give impetus to certain sector, industries, and the major companies under those sectors or industries tend, which like leverage on that particular narrative, tends to generate a better return compared to the others, right? So what we do is we first identify those narratives, and then we identify the potential beneficial companies under those narratives, and we highlight the same for you. So we prepare a curative list of the themes. So say suppose here we have green hydrogen. So here green hydrogen, if you check, first you will get an introduction portion where it talks about what is green hydrogen, what is hydrogen, what are the uses, what are the government initiatives. And then the stocks talks about, we have few stocks under it. And here you see that Reliance Industry is there, L&T is there, NTPC is there, right? Which we feel, which the analyst team feels that stands to benefit from this particular theme. Now, if we go to read more, we get to see what sort of relationship in Reliance Industry has with this particular theme and a description on the same, right? And at last, you will see impact. And here it talks about that Reliance Industry is having a positive impact with green hydrogen. मतलब अगर green hydrogen को government से अच्छा impetus मिलता है और उसमें positive कोई news आता है, तो Reliance Industry stands to benefit from the same, right? And here you get the time toggle. If you adjust and you can check which company has performed well within these listed players that are there, right? So this is what about is your investment theme. Okay. All right. Now, say, I'll just see any questions. Okay. Now here you have understood what is investment themes. Now we'll move to the mutual fund segment. I'm already running out of time, so I'll just fasten things up. Okay, so here mutual fund, we have a separate section for mutual funds, and here are certain features that one should be aware of. So the first is the AMC, where in our app we have listed all the major AMCs with the AUMs and the number of schemes that are there under those AMCs. So the first is SBI Mutual Fund, which has AUM of 10,000 crores, 10,000 lakh crores, and the scheme are 116 schemes are there, right? So let's get into it. So here you will find the segregation, which is equity, debt, hybrid, and other, right? So we'll stick to equity, and here we will, if we click on this equity, we will see how the NAV has performed and what are the related scheme under this particular scheme, right? So we get to see these are the few schemes that are there. What has been the performance, right? Here you get to see the time-wise performance, year-wise performance. Here is the holding. The first summary is like its domestic equity is 92% approx, and cash equivalent is near about 8%. Then you get to see the entire holding, and this is again updated latest on June 24 basis, right? So you see the maximum is into SBI, then is the AUM, how the AUM has fared so far, right? And who is managing this particular fund. So you get to see all these here, right, under the AMC. Now, if you go to classes, under classes again, the segregations are done. And here you get to see large cap is there, mid cap is there. Then you have ELSs, then ETFs are there, index funds are there. All categorization is there. Say suppose I want to check ETFs. I'll go here and you see all the ETFs are lined up with the return. So here I've done 3 years. If I check 6 months, so return, NAV return you can get from here. Right? So this is what ETFs is here. The classes talks about. Now here you get the NFOs, new fund offering, and you see the upcoming ones, the ongoing and the recent. Right? And as I've shown you the theme in equity segment, similarly, we also have themes in a mutual fund segment. And say suppose here this international funds is there, a theme. Here you get to see the intro portion. And what are the schemes under the international funds? And here again, time, you can adjust the time to check the performance of the NAV, what return it has generated, and accordingly make your investments, right? Now, this was about the mutual fund segment. If you have any queries pertaining to mutual funds, I'll show where you can post your queries on the social platform. Now, the question comes how you can post your query on the social platform. यहाँ पे आपको ये 9 dots देखने को मिल रहा है. You click on that and it will take you to StockEdge Social. Simply click. So here you get to see few clubs. The first two talks about stock ideas. Now investing for long term and trading for short term, right? And those are followed by doubt solving clubs. That first is fundamental, then is technical, FNO, commodity and currency, mutual fund, which I just talked about, right? So these are the places where according to your requirement, you can put out your queries. But before heading forward, we'll see how you can post your queries. Say suppose I want any, I want to post a query pertaining to fundamental, right? Now say suppose I want a view on FMCG sector. So what I'll do is I'll write view on. Now comes the trick portion. You have to tag your sector or company with a $sign without any space. So I'll put a $sign and then I'll write. See, you get a drop down list and on the very top you get fast moving consumer goods. That is FMCG sector, right? And then you simply click on post. Now this gets posted on this fundamental club wall. The analyst will get back to you, revert to you, and within the next 48 hours, your query will get resolved, right? Now, similarly, if I want to post any query pertaining to any company, say I want view on, again, I'll put a $sign without any space, and then I'll say Radico. And here you get to see Radico Khaitan on the list. I'll simply click and post. So what happens is next time, whenever you type Radico Khaitan, add to search and then fundamental, you can easily locate your query, right? So this is why we ask you to tag your query with a $sign, right? Now it was pertaining to recordings, right? So here you write StockEdge, customer delight, right? Add to search and then recording, add to search, and you get all the recordings here, right? So what we did is we typed StockEdge, customer delight, and then recording and then search, correct? So this is how you can find the recording of today's session. All right. Okay. There are series of questions. I'll take it. Oh, Dilip sir, I'll just show where you can. Vishal sir, firstly, is your query resolved? That where you can get the recordings of the webinars? I said you can access it from Stockage. Here, Stockage Customer Delight with recordings, and you will get to see all the recordings. Otherwise, if you want any particular recording, you just post your query on Customer Delight page, right? And they will help you out with the same. Correct? So for data center stock, any query, please post it on the relevant clubs and we will help you with the same. Okay, what more? Sheetal ma'am, I'll get back to you in just a second's time. Nifty Nifty mid cap, Nifty small cap, I'll show. And so it depends upon the number of scheme which the analyst feels like is best suited for a particular theme, and only those gets listed up. Correct? Okay. So what was on any more questions? I'll just give me a time. Sometime I'll just see webinar. I'm done. Okay. Get investment theme again. Okay. Now, coming to a question, I'll go to the equity segment. I'll type Hindustan Unilever. I'll go to the fundamental segment results, and if the result is upcoming result will show here, right? So this is one way where you can find the result date. Two, you can go to the update segment, announcements, filter में आप जाके लिखेंगे results. और यहाँ पे जितने भी रिजल्ट रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन है, हाँ थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे आपको सर्च करना पड़ेगा, आपको यहाँ से भी मिल जाएगा, राइट? सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन चेक दी रिजल्ट डेट, राइट? यहाँ पे इंडाइसेस है, इंडाइसेस से आप चेक कर सकते हो निफ्टी 50, निफ्टी बैंक, इसका परफॉर्मेंस बहुत एनएससी बीएससी करके आप चेक कर लो, बीएससी का भी आप यहाँ परफॉर्मेंस देख सकते हो, राइट? गेनर्स कौन से हैं, जैसे कि अगर मैं फास्ट मूविंग में गई, राइट, तो ये आपको चार्ट देखने को मिलेगा, उसका प्राइस कैसा रहा है, प्राइस चार्ट, what are the stocks that are there under it, what are the major gainers and the losers, right? So you get under this. So this was about the indices, and I'll show the recording page once again. Any company related queries, sector related queries, mutual fund queries, please do post it in the relevant clubs. And again, investment themes, I'll show once again investment themes. Okay, just a second. Here, premium analytics segment, just under investor portfolio, you get investment themes. And here are the list of the investment themes, right? ठीक है, यहाँ पे आप ऐसे सर्च भी कर सकते हो, right? All right, I hope you all have learned from today's session, and you have enjoyed today's session. So thank you so very much for being with me today, and also helping me out and being so patient and considerate. And thank you. Have a nice day and good night.